Welcome to Daily CoinCu Crypto News. Here are today's headlines. Robinhood introduces a new debit card that will automatically invest in stocks and crypto as you spend. Grayscale Investments launches smart contract platform fund. The New York Assembly is considering a ban on Bitcoin mining due to environmental concerns. A company in the United States has resorted to mining Bitcoin with coal ash to clean up their community. Commonwealth Bank says crypto already mainstream. Now let's dive into the details. Robinhood introduces a new debit card that will automatically invest in stocks and crypto as you spend. Investing can be a powerful way to build wealth, but for many people, it can feel out of reach. That's why Robinhood is creating the Robinhood Cash Card to help a new generation start their investing journey and get rewarded while spending on the things they need and love. The Cash Card builds on the company's mission to democratize finance for all by giving debit card customers the same benefits and rewards that were once reserved for credit card holders. The Cash Card will be offered by Robinhood Money, LLC. Grayscale Investments launches Smart Contract Platform Fund. Grayscale Investments, the world's largest digital currency asset manager, today announced the launch of Grayscale's Smart Contract Platform X Ethereum Fund, Grayscale's 18th investment product and third diversified fund offering. GSCP-XE provides investors with exposure to a selection of industry-leading smart contract platforms through a market capitalization-weighted portfolio designed to track the CoinDesk Smart Contract Platform Select X-ETH Index. Smart contracts are programs that run on a blockchain that can execute automatically when certain conditions are met. Using smart contracts, users can create decentralized financial applications, represent the ownership of digital property like NFTs, move funds in accordance with conditional instructions, and even create other digital assets. The New York Assembly is considering a ban on Bitcoin mining due to environmental concerns. The New York Assembly is set to vote soon on a moratorium on cryptocurrency mining operations that apply proof-of-work authentication to validate blockchain transactions, following which the bill will be referred to the Senate for approval if successful. The law was introduced in the framework of the Climate Leadership and Community Protection Act, which demands that statewide greenhouse gas emissions be reduced by 85% and that the state has net zero emissions in all sectors of the economy by that time, according to the proposed regulation. If both the Assembly and the Senate approve the bill, it will require comprehensive generic environmental impact evaluations and effectively ban all proof-of-work blockchain mining activities that use fossil fuels, including Bitcoin mining, for 3 years. A company in the United States has resorted to mining Bitcoin with coal ash to clean up their community. The massive amounts of electricity required to mine Bitcoin have sparked a discussion about whether the energy required to generate the digital currency is worth the possible environmental consequences. According to a Reuters article, one firm in western Pennsylvania claims to have discovered a way to put cryptocurrency mining to work in order to clean up their neighborhood. Stronghold Digital Mining creates electricity by using waste from decades-old coal power plants to power hundreds of crypto mining supercomputers. Commonwealth Bank says crypto already mainstream. Crypto has entered the mainstream, according to the managing director of blockchain and digital assets at the Commonwealth Bank of Australia. Since allowing users to buy and trade digital assets last year, Australia's largest bank by total assets has seen a considerable increase in crypto activity on its app. Sophie Gilder, managing director of blockchain and digital assets at CommBank, said the response to the bank's app has been overwhelmingly positive on the opening day of Blockchain Australia's 5-day Blockchain Week conference in Sydney. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the CoinCu channel to stay up to date on the latest news.